See the difference between my hand and my face, but who cares? I don't know, you're looking.
You look so beautiful over there.
Thank you. So this is...
Kind of controls anger now, you know?
He's a serial killer now.
Yeah, but now he's way smarter though. He's just a smarter serial killer now.
Are they recognizing that or no?
No, they don't. They're all falling for it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, baby, you gotta watch this episode.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video, I wanted to create something for New Year's. So I have nothing on my face. So I'm pale and no eyebrows, nothing. Using my baby skin pore minimizer from Maybelline. And I put that in my T-zone. Because we go full glam today, I want that my makeup sits really good. And for this, I have to smooth it out a little bit. So now because I'm a little bit pale, I want to hide that a little bit with foundation. And I'm using my L'Oreal Perfect Match, but this time in a darker shade. I first shake it, and then I put some palms on the back of my hand like that. And I put that all over my face. Now I'm using my Maybelline Superstay 24 concealer. It looks like that. In the shade True Light Beige. And I put that under my eyes. And everywhere I wanted to brighten up my skin a little bit. Then I contour a little bit with my NYX Wonder Stick, and this is the shade Light Medium. It has two ends, or two sides, like one super light and one to contour. So this is more like a highlighting side, and this is the contour side. First I go in with that contour shade, and then contour my face. On my forehead, here. And I just blend that in. Then I go in with the lighter shade And I'll put that a little bit here. In the corner of my eyes and on the sides of my nose to highlight a little bit more. Cupid's bone. A little bit the forehead. Blend that in with a beauty blender. Then I set everything in place with the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. So first I brush my eyebrows. And I'm using my NYX Tame Frame. I'm using it in the shade Brunette. So now I'm done with the eyebrows and we are removing all the excess powder I still have on my face. Oh, blush, I'm using my Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush palette. And I'm using PT1, this one. And I use my highlighter from Milani in the shade Strobe Light. There's nothing more satisfying than a beautiful highlighter. Then I'm bronzing my face a little bit. So I'm using from Maybelline the Dream Sun bronzing powder. So first I'm using my NYX Ultimate palette. I'm using this shade. Put that all over my lid. I go in with that brownish shade and I'll put that one in the crease and a little bit higher. I'm using a blending brush then and just blend it out. Then my Essence Quattro eyeshadow palette and I'm using the brown shade, just a little bit. Crease and then the outer part. Okay, then I need a black shade because I want to do something smoky today. I'm using the NYX Full Throttle, I don't know how to say that, palette. It's like a little Quattro palette and I need that black shade in my crease. So I go over that super lightly because it's black eyeshadow and you can mess up so quickly with the whole eyeshadow, with the whole work you did. So I'm carefully. But I feel like this is a nice black eyeshadow, so you can build it up and it's not too much. And just a little bit more. So I just pack it a little bit and then I blend it out because I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to mess it up, and you can do it really quickly. So this is enough black for me because otherwise it makes my eyes too tiny and that's not what I want. And now we are doing a cut crease. I mean, you can leave it like that and put on some lashes if you want, but I really want to do a cut crease because I didn't do one in a long time. Using concealer again. In the end, I blend out with my finger. Blend it out a little bit again. Using my Makeup Revolution palette, like this. And I use that white eyeshadow, looks like that. And I put that on top. And I go over that with my Catrice highlighting eyeshadow. It's a white, what's a white color in the shade 010, and I put that on top. I'm doing eyeliner and I'm using the liquid ink eyeliner from Essence. I mixed the black one and the brown shade I used in the beginning, and I put them under my eyes, but only the outer part and the inner part. The middle, no. Just leave the middle. In the middle part, I put, I mix the light shades again, but in my inner corner it looks like a cat eye. I do the other eye off camera, and then I see you after that. So now we are moving on to my lashes, and I'm using my mascara from Essence Maximum Definition Volume Mascara. And then I put on some lashes, and for that I'm using my Adele lashes, my demi lashes. For lash glue I'm using my Duo lash glue. What?
Let me know if I'm too loud.
Oh, okay. That was loud. That was a crack.
You gotta eat, baby, huh?
Yeah, but we have a kitchen.
I don't like eating in the kitchen.
You don't like eating in a kitchen. Normally you're supposed to eat in the kitchen.
Nobody eats in the kitchen. What the hell is that?
Well, a lot of people who eats in the kitchen. I mean,
that's probably a German thing.
No.
Stand up eating in the kitchen.
So that means Americans eat in the living room all the time.
We eat in the living room, on the couch, watching TV, on the table, on the dining room.
Yeah, dining room.
That's not a dining room, it's a kitchen.
Yeah, or some people have a dining room in the kitchen. They have tables in the kitchen where you can sit down and
Yeah,
eat.
but you don't have any.
Yeah, I have a tiny house.
Yes, that's my point. I understand.
Yeah, I understand.
Guten Fragen.
That's not a word. Oh, I don't even know what you tried to say. Guten Fragen. What's the Fragen? Do you have anything to say to that?
Alles klar? No? Means that.
Guten Fragen
Like
means
alles gut.
alles gut. Yeah,
Yes.
but not Guten Fragen. That's not even a word.
I know, I made it up, woman.
The eye look is complete, and we're moving on to lips. My trended up contour and glide lip liner in the shade 400. Then I put my NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade London on top of it. I think I put in the middle the Maybelline Superstay in Driver. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope I gave you guys a little bit of inspiration for New Year's, what you can create with makeup. And yeah, thanks so much for taking time to watch this video, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!